Time is not the primary driver of aging. The calendar, in many ways, is a biological liar. While the common myth suggests that aging is a simple accumulation of years and inevitable wear and tear, the biological reality is far more specific. It is a widening gap between damage and repair. Think of the body as a sailing ship navigating a relentless, wide, and unforgiving ocean. Aging is not just the salt and wind hitting the wood, but the deep internal fatigue. The crew is so occupied with sailing that they never stop to patch the holes. They never stop to scrape the heavy barnacles from the bottom of the ship's hull. The paradox is that the human body operates on a strict, unbreakable binary toggle mode, functioning in two mutually exclusive modes. You are either in growth or maintenance. It is impossible for the system to expand and preserve itself at the same time. This is similar to a computer operating system that has a high-octane performance mode and a system update mode designed for deep security patches and internal cleaning. A computer cannot run a deep disk defragmentation while processing a heavy application. To update the software and fix vulnerabilities, the heavy programs must be closed. In the biological context, constant consumption forces the body into a state of hypermetabolism, a hidden mechanism where energy meant for long-term stability is borrowed for short-term processing. Digestion is an incredibly expensive process that monopolizes resources, acting like a city's power grid. If every air conditioner and heater in a city is running 24/7, the grid reaches its limit, forcing the city to cancel routine bridge inspections and electrical repairs just to keep the lights on, eventually leading to a structural blackout that stops all vital operations. There is a common clean fuel fallacy suggesting that eating healthy foods bypasses this strain. Yet the biological signal remains the same. The presence of nutrients is a signal to grow. Imagine a busy highway where the road crews are blocked by heavy traffic. It matters little if the cars are eco-friendly electric vehicles or old gas guzzlers, as the sheer volume of traffic prevents the crew from fixing the deep potholes. To achieve a shift in this biological slope, the removal of the growth signal is required. This shift, often through fasting, allows the body to pivot energy toward vital cleanup. There are three primary signs that this internal shift is finally occurring. First, cessation of insulin growth signals. Second, the activation of cellular recycling, known as autophagy. And third, the restoration of mitochondrial efficiency to power the entire system. Consistency in creating these windows is more vital than extreme intensity of action. Small, frequent periods of non-eating allow the backlog of repairs to stay manageable. Think of a professional theater that stays in pristine condition by closing for intermission, ensuring after hours are long enough for the cleaning crew to sweep the aisles and fix the seats before the next big show begins the next day. Slower aging is achieved by balancing performance mode with the necessary update mode, ensuring the body is not permanently open for business to look after its foundation, preventing the biological bankruptcy that characterizes the aging process forever.